other important topic which is in news is Fridays for Future. Fridays for Future campaign. Okay, what is this campaign, sir? Hope you all are aware of this campaign. What is this campaign? This is nothing but an international movement by school students. Okay. Fridays for Future is nothing but an international movement by school students, where on every Fridays they used to they used to boycott, they used to come onto the roads and highlight and create awareness about the climate change. We all know about Greta Thunberg, the Swedish girl. Okay, she has started this campaign. Okay, school strike. This is nothing but school strike on Fridays to create awareness about the climate change. That's it. Nothing much important about this Fridays for Future. Just remember, this is an international movement by school students. We have seen this one in our major cities also of India, where students on Fridays they boycotted schools and they came onto the roads and streets with placards and shown their concern for the environment. My dear friends, let me take this opportunity to introduce. We all know about Greta Thunberg, but there is one great child climate activist in India. Let me introduce that great personality. Yes, I guess we have the video of it. Very nice speech, my dear friends. Listen to this.
और मुझे यहाँ पे इस प्रोग्राम में नहीं आना चाहिए और ये स्पीच नहीं बोलना चाहिए मुझे तो it was your fault that you have done these things. Your future would be destroyed and you can't understand my feelings. अब मेरे feelings को समझ नहीं रहे हो. और इस वर्ल्ड के लीडर्स हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए चिंतित नहीं है. वो एक्शन करके नहीं बोल रहे. उनकी स्पीच उन्हें बोलना चाहिए एक्शन करके, लेकिन वो नहीं कर रहा. वो सिर्फ अपने से स्पीच ही बोल रहा है. और who is caring about our future? कौन हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए केयर है? आपको पता कौन है? Who is? Did you know? How dare you? You can do this. आपकी हिम्मत भी कैसे हुई इस धरती पे ये सब करने की? आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो. ये सब गलत है. मैं आपको कितनी बार कहूँ, आपको शर्म आना चाहिए. You should be shy because what you are doing. I'm only a child yet. आपको मुझे समझाना चाहिए, ना कि मैं आपको. I'm worried about your children and you are. You should understand my feelings. If you want to leave, you have to listen to me, and you have to think that how our future would be. You should understand my feelings. You should worry about your future for our future also. You should. You're not understanding. I'm only a child yet. I know all the money spent on war if we spent on finding environmental answers. Then what a wonderful place this earth would be. But you are not doing like that. आप वो कर रहे हो, वो सब गलत है. We're having just little time to do this.
Friends, very emotional and heart-touching this one talk by our child right climate activist Lisi Priya Konghuja. Okay, she's a Manipuri child right. She's from Manipur. Okay, 9-year-old child right activist. Very emotional speech by her. Okay, so this is about Fridays for Future, and let me talk about other important climate change movement in the contemporary times. that is Extinction Rebellion. That is Extinction Rebellion. This Extinction Rebellion is also nothing but a climate change movement which started in 2018 in London, okay, as a small group, but they protested with a huge mass gathering in 2019 April, and they pressurized the UK government to declare the climate emergency. Extinction Rebellion, please remember this group. So they demand that this group, Extinction Rebellion demand to cut down GHG emissions to zero by 2025. My dear friends, see this goal. I guess they are very optimistic in their vision. They demand to cut down GHG emissions to zero by 2025. However, it's not practical considering compared to the recent emissions level. Just now we discussed about UN emission gap report. It talked about the commitment gap. Okay, so this is one of the important demand by the Extinction Rebellion. This is, and one of the important objective of them is to use non-violent and civil disobedience to use non-violence and civil disobedience means to halt mass extinction of flora and fauna. Okay, this is the objective which was mentioned in their homepage. To use non-violent and civil disobedience means to halt mass extinction of flora and fauna. See, why I am stressing this is, whenever you are writing any essay, my dear friends, this year relevance of Gandhiji in 21st century is one of the most important and probable topic this year for essay, due to the 150 year celebration of Gandhiji. Okay, that's the reason Gandhiji and its relevance in 21st century is one of the most important topic. So suppose whenever you are writing some essay on Gandhiji, then you can use this Extinction Rebellion as an example. To use non-violent and civil disobedience means to halt the mass extinction of flora and fauna. See, my dear friends, how we are interlinking throughout our class discussions. We are using this Extinction Rebellion in writing this as an example of Gandhiji's relevance in 21st century. So this is how you need to prepare. Always throughout the classes I reiterate on one thing: interlinking and integrating. Okay, always you need to interlink all your static syllabus, all your subjects and all these things. Okay, so those are the two important movements. One is Fridays for Future and next is Extinction Rebellion. Fridays for Future, movement by school children to ban this one, boycott school on Fridays and to come on to streets and to create awareness about the climate change. And next one is an Extinction Rebellion, a small group of citizens who started in London. Okay, later now they have grown into a big, much wider group, and their presence is is seen in throughout the world. Okay, just remember this Extinction Rebellion and Fridays for Future.